चलो भाई, let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll.
Today is day 77. I got the work done on my bike today, the side stand, the oil seal which I had gone out, and everything else. And yeah, it's I don't know. It's very cold today, and I feel a bit off. And I think I'm missing home a little today. So what I've done is I've come down in Dwarka, which is in Delhi, to one of the places which is run by a South Indian family, Tamilian family, and they make really good dosas. And dosa always reminds me of home, and I've been thinking about dosas for a lot of time recently, yesterday and today especially. I didn't want to come here, but I don't know, the dosas were just calling out to me, and here I am. So these ones, they they taste pretty well. Again, like I told you, it's the hotel is run by a Tamil family, and that's why I'm here. If not, I wouldn't be here having masala dosa in Delhi by no chance whatsoever. But yep, I'm super hungry. It's about 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I don't know. It's about 6 in the evening, and famished, and I'm really missing home. So I think I'll just have this dosa and enjoy and get some good rest. And I need a lot more rest today. So this is day 84 of the trip, and that's actually that in a very awkward position, and that's Manish, and that's Shagun. If you can see her, no, you can't. Yep, there you go. Yeah, that's Shagun. So I met Shagun and Akshish on the way to Delhi on near Jaipur, and we became really good friends, and we are planning a small overlanding trip for nearly 5-6 days from the 10th of January till the 16th. We're going to be doing a lot of camping, real overlanding stuff. Since the life of Matthias are going to have reduced a bit, what we are doing right now is loading the bike up onto the truck and driving the truck all the way to the Uttarakhand. We are hitting Nainital tomorrow morning, and from there travel, do the off-roading part where my bike will be coming off the truck. And this is going to be pretty interesting. I'm pretty excited for this because this I've never done. I've never put my bike on a truck for such a long duration, and I haven't done that proper overlanding stuff yet. I've only camped 3 days on this trip till now, so this is going to be really, really exciting. So today is day 87 of the trip, and here's Ashish and there's Manish.
Hey guys.
Having a seat there, and we are right now at Nainital. We had a beautiful homestay here, which is a heritage homestay. This is actually a house which is almost 150 years old, right? 1864. And today we are off to two places. That is, one is Kilbri and the other one is Sigdi, and we will be camping tonight in Sigdi. So all of our camping equipment is inside there. We have our own food to cook. Do you wanna? Yeah, sure. So we have wood over here. We have logs so that we can have a proper campfire this evening. And this is going to be really exciting because we have to find a place to camp first of all, and after that it is to put up a camp. So here we have a lock for the campfire
Firewood.
tonight. We have our tent. We have sleeping bags
Bags,
there.
chairs,
Yep.
got spare sleeping bag, you got bed.
Oh yeah, we
bed,
have a bed also over there.
and we have a polyethylene sheet to give us some warmth.
Yep, warmth and not let the tents puncture at night.
Plus, I don't know if you see that. All that is your spares and your recovery kit underneath that. And that's a spare blanket.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, it's a traditional rajai that we carry. So, in case one of the sleeping bag is destroyed by any chance, yeah, and you do have a medical kit. And plus, you'll always need these nylon straps.
Yeah.
They'll keep the luggage secure. What else? For the recovery, you got shovel in the top.
And we have a small shovel too for me in case I get stuck in snow
Folding
somewhere. Yep.
And in case people don't wake up. You want something from inside?
We can show them what we are carrying for the food though.
Yeah. So, some of the traditional food items.
Yeah, we have
All the
aloo, we have
veggies.
potatoes, we have tomatoes, we have
Chili,
chilies. And
bread.
yeah, a lot of bread. We have bread at the end over there. And we have eggs.
Eggs.
Yeah, we have eggs. And so this is cold medicine. Yeah, so it gets really cold. That will keep you warm.
Yeah.
And we have this thing which I love.
So, small axe.
Yes. Yeah. It does the job. And yep. So this is it. And we just have about 20-30 kilometers to travel today. But we are going to be going through a lot of trails to find the place where we are going to pitch our tent tonight. And yep, man, this is really exciting. This is going to be the 4th day that I attend, and we're going to be camping for the next 2 nights as well, right? Tonight and tomorrow night. Today is the 13th.
Yeah.
Okay, so 14th
Tomorrow
tonight.
we'll again be camping.
Yeah. So today and tomorrow we are going to be camping, and on the 15th we are in the night of 15th we are headed back to Delhi. And wow, man. Yeah, this is going to be pretty exciting. This is going to be the 5th day of the camping in this trip, and this is going to be real camping, like how I did in Pune. Yep. So let's get on the road. So day 93 of the trip, and I'm in the mother store, Zana's, and I'm getting my crash guards refit. I had a few broken bolts here. Yes, it's TIG welded and removed. The broken part has been removed. I want to get a proper fit of it this time because when I got it done in I don't know which place. I don't remember which place that was. It wasn't well done, and this one. Yeah, so there was a broken bolt over here as well, which was making the slider fall loose, and I had cable ties to keep it in place, and I got that done. This is again a lot of jugaad, but it does the job. As you can see, it was right here. This was what was hanging loose and causing a little problem to the chain. In a few more days I'll be off to Nepal, and I'll be much happier, and it'll be much a more peaceful ride if all these things are sorted out here in Delhi itself. So day 97 of the trip, and I had a Christmas miracle, a delayed, a post-Christmas miracle this morning. So last night I was bleeding the front brake after I installed the new brake line that is putting the fresh brake fluid in. And I tried for nearly 2 hours last night and it just did not work. I mean, I could get the air bubbles out, but the front brake still was not getting any feed. And I stopped last night because it was very late at 1 o'clock, 1 in the morning, it became in the morning. And I decided to stop and give it a try this morning. And I came and prepared to give it another shot, get that work done. But just as I started holding on to the brake feel started coming back in, which did not happen yesterday at all. So that was a huge boost for this morning. And I got the chain tight, I tightened the chain, I looped the chain. So all work that was supposed to be done on my end is now complete. So that's pretty much ready. But at the same time I was hit with a few more shocks, and that is 3 cracks in the chassis. All in places which were already welded before the ride. Let me just show it to you now. So this is crack number 1. You can see there was a crack here before, and now that's moved here. And this is a pretty serious crack. I cannot ride forward without welding that. And this is crack number 2. Let me try to show it to you guys. Where is it? Yeah, there you go. This is crack number 2. And the same things on the other side. So there are 3 cracks. So I've come to this welding station which I had come here a few days ago to rectify the broken bolts on the bike. And my tires are here in Delhi now. So I just have to go pick them up and fit them on, and my work will be done. So today is a Thursday. I'm leaving Delhi to Nepal on Monday. So I have Friday and Saturday 2 days left to finish up all the remaining work. And hopefully I think it will be done. So the welding is going to get completed in another 2 hours or something. And after that, it's the tires and the gauge that I'm going to get repaired, and I'm done with my stay here in Delhi. Well, after placing the order for the tires, I've received them, and here they are with me. So this is the 150 60-17 on the left over here for the rear, and the 110 70-17 for the front. And here I am at one of the dealers, which is Trinity Overseas here in Delhi, which is Moti Nagar, and I'm about to get them fit. So let's get them on. I'm eager to get these new sets on my bike to begin my next leg to Nepal and Northeast in a couple of days. Well, day 100, I was supposed to head out to Nepal tomorrow, but there's one small delay. Since the chassis has taken a lot of beating, and right now there are about 6 cracks all over. 2 here, 2 here, and 2 on the other side, and 2 here. A lot of my friends suggested that it's safer to ride with the chassis replaced. And I have my friends there, that's Atul, hi. And that's Shekhar, and I have Arjun, whose bike this is, and it's been lying unused without the engine for a very long time, and he very graciously has offered me to purchase the chassis from him so that I can fit it on my bike right now and continue my ride. So it's about 8 o'clock in the evening now. We are all 3 of us are going to get working on the bike, and hopefully by morning we should have the new chassis on my bike so that I can ride a lot more safer for the next 50 days in Nepal and Northeast. Well, let's get to dismantling the bike and putting the new chassis onto my bike.
'Cause today I'm feeling cold. Oh, we should never ever let it go. Are we going to the beach? Is there some heat to find if we're going to the beach?
ठीक है, this is attempt 4. हाँ, जो भी है करो. Ah, there we go. Work's done. Huh? Nope. It's all done. Perfect. We have it running. So that's it. The bike is completely ready. We have the new chassis in, and it's really because of Shekhar and Atul and Arjun, who's not here because he had to run away because it's 1 o'clock the next day. That is day 101. And we are all sleepless. We are all hungry. Yeah, we haven't even had our breakfast yet. So I think, man, I'm super grateful to these 3 people, because if it wasn't for them, many problems could have happened along the way in Nepal. And even if I had gotten it rectified here, it would have taken me a lot more time. I'm seriously indebted to these 3 people, and Arjun again, who's not here, the head technician of this garage. Well, this is it. So all of us have to go out and get some sleep, and I think tomorrow I'll be off to Nepal. Yeah. Ciao guys.